Welcome to Fort Benjamin Harrison, where historic charm meets modern luxuries, and this stunning home is the best of both worlds. Welcome to one of Indy's most walkable and vibrant neighborhoods. This beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a flexible loft lives like a true model home with an open, airy floor plan. At the heart of the home is a chef-inspired kitchen featuring granite countertops, an oversized center island, upgraded cabinetry, and sleek modern finishes, all flowing seamlessly into the spacious living room with a cozy fireplace and dining area. Step outside to your private fenced-in covered patio, ideal for morning coffee, weekend grilling, or simply unwinding after a long day. Upstairs, the primary suite is a true retreat with spa-inspired finishes, dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and abundant natural light. And you'll love the huge closet. And the location, it's the best part. Just steps from Fort Harrison State Park, Fort Bend Golf Course, the YMCA, farmers market, local restaurants, scenic trails, and much more. If you're seeking low-maintenance living in a high-vibe community, this could be the perfect fit.